If someone gives you something, whether you like the person or not, you feel obliged to give something back. Today we're going to be talking about reciprocity and how you can use it in your digital marketing. If you're not familiar with the term reciprocity, here it is. If someone gives you something, whether you like the person or not, you feel obliged to give something back. So how do we use this in marketing? Okay, so the first thing is letting people use your product for free. You can offer them a free trial. So there was this pet shop that offered their customers to take, let's say, a puppy home for a couple of days with the option to bring back the puppy if they didn't like it, with no questions asked, money back guarantee. And what they found was most people kept the puppy. Okay, number two, you can create a pop-up on your site giving people a free ebook of valuable information related to your industry in exchange for their email address. So number three is when a situation arises where you can lend a helping hand, do it. An example of this would be in 2013 in Boston, there was a bus strike, so the kids couldn't get to school. So what Uber did is they provided free transportation for all school kids. There are numerous ways to use reciprocity in marketing. These are just three small examples. If you want to get some more info on the concepts that were talked about in this video, just go down into the description and click on the links for more info.